Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So in this class, 74th lecture, in this class we are going to study the concept of sustainable agriculture. Okay. So first of all, agriculture is a broad term encompassing all aspects of crop production, whether food and fiber, livestock farming, fisheries, forestries, etc. Food and fiber productivity has increased by using new technology, mechanization, increased use of fertilizers and pesticides, and expansion of irrigation facilities. These changes reduced the labor demand to produce the majority of food and fiber. Although these changes have had the positive effect, they also cause some serious environmental and social problems such as erosion of topsoil, depletion, and pollution of groundwater and other water resources, and unemployment of farm laborers due to replacement by the farm machinery. So in view of the growing negative consequences of modern agriculture, there is a growing demand to promote the sustainable agriculture. So sustainable agriculture is the production of food, fiber, plant or animal products using farming techniques that protect the environment, public health, human and animal welfare. Sustainable agriculture incorporates many environmentally safe agriculture practices and offer innovative and economically viable opportunities for farmers, laborers, consumers, policymakers and many others in the entire food system. Sustainable farming systems are those that are least toxic and least energy intensive and yet maintain productivity and profitability. And if I give you the example, organic farming. Thus, sustainable agriculture is the one that first support profitable production, second protect environmental quality, third uses natural resources efficiently, fourth provide consumers with affordable high quality products, fifth decrease dependency on non-renewable resources, sixth enhancing the quality of life for farmer and rural community, and the last is will last for generation to come. Okay, so now let us study about organic farming under this. So organic farming is a type of agriculture or farming which avoids the use of synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, growth regulators and livestock feed additives. Organic farming systems rely on crop rotation, crop residue, animal manures, legumes, green manure, off-farm organic waste and biofertilizers. Okay. All kinds of agriculture products can be produced organically including grain, meat, dairy, eggs, fibers such as cotton, jute, flowers, etc. Thus, organic farming creates a sustainable lifestyle for generation to come. Organic farmer builds healthy soil by nourishing the microbial inhabitants that release, transforms and transfer nutrients. Soil organic matter contributes to good soil structure and water holding capacity. Organic farmer feed soil biota and build soil organic matter with cover crops, composts and biologically based soil amendments. These produce healthy plants that are better able to resist disease and insect predation. Organic farmers' primary strategy in controlling pest and disease is prevention through good plant nutrition and management. Organic farmers use cover crops and sophisticated crop rotation to change the field ecology, effectively disrupting habitat for weeds, insect and disease organisms. Weeds are controlled through crop rotation, mechanical tillage and hand weeding as well as through cover crops, mulches, flame weeding and other management methods. Organic farmers rely on diverse population of soil organisms, beneficial insect and birds to keep the pest in check. Now let us study about its benefit. So first benefit is that the organic farming can be learnt easily by any conventional farmer. Switching to organic farming, conventional farmer can actually reduce his production cost by over 25%, as it eliminates the use of expensive synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, thus minimizing the soil degradation. Organic farm can support sustainably higher level of wildlife, especially in lowlands and where animals can roam in pastures or graze on grassland. Entire ecosystem and groundwater are improved by simply following organic farming methods. When dairies feed their cows organic feed and graze them on organic field, the cows experience better health, less sickness, disease, and ultimately produce better tasting milk for the consumers. Organic farming promotes healthy soil rich in micronutrients and which can be used for decades to grow crops without getting exhausted. Consumers purchasing organically grown foods are tastier. Organically grown products are free from harmful chemicals, artificial flavors, and preservatives that ultimately cost consumer more money than non-organically grown products. Okay, now we will study about vermicomposting. This is under sustainable agriculture only. These are just their parts. Okay, we will study part by part. So vermicomposting is an appropriate technique for efficient recycling of animal waste, crop residues, and agro-industrial waste. The process of conversion of organic material into a manure is chiefly microbiological. Okay, and earthworms are important for producing vermicompost for the organic waste. Also, vermicompost can be prepared from all sort of organic residues, that is animal waste, sericulture residues, dairy and poultry residues, and bagasse from sugarcane factories, okay, and weed, etc. Okay, so they can be made from these things. And the last part under this sustainable agriculture is IPM, that is integrated pest management. Okay, so in this approach, each crop and its pest are evaluated as part of an ecological system. The farmer develops a control program that includes cultivation, biological and chemical methods applied in proper sequence and with the proper timing. Okay, the aim of IPN is not to eradicate the pest population completely, but to keep the crop damage to economically tolerable level. Farmers monitor the field, and when they find the pest level to be high enough, they first use biological methods and cultivation practices to control, and then use small amount of insecticides, mostly insecticides derived from plant, as a last resort. Okay, so this was all for this class. In the next class we will study about biotechnologically, which means about genetically modified products that we are using these days. So thank you guys for watching. We'll meet you in the next class.